Hi, I'm Kate Taylor, the founder and managing director of TaylorCare Group, and I'm excited to tell you about some opportunities here in Australia. We are looking for qualified speech pathologists and occupational therapists who are looking for sponsorship opportunities here. We have clients working with paediatrics and adults, and if this is something that you're interested in for your future, please reach out. Keep watching the video to find out more.
Hi, Charlie.
Hey Kate, how are you?
Good, thanks. Can you tell us a little bit about your company, Talking in Steps, and sponsorship pathways for people that want to come to Australia?
Yeah, look, in Australia we've got a large shortage of skilled speech pathologists and occupational therapists. So now we're sourcing a lot of that resource from overseas. We welcome different cultures into our organisation, and we have, as Kate mentioned, we have lots of mentoring supervision. We have a 2-week induction period where people from overseas can take it nice and easy before they start seeing clients. So we believe in developing a culture which is team orientated, shows empathy, because most of our clients obviously have disabilities and disorders, and we've got to make sure that our staff have that culture in their mindset. But more so with the staff, we make sure that they are happy at what they're doing, they're learning all the time, and I want them to go home stress-free, not take any work home, enjoy their family life, and say to themselves, I've done a good day's work.
That's excellent. And with the sponsorship pathways that you have for people to come
in? So we run that pretty professionally. So we go through a couple of interviews. One is with the migration agent, who will tell them the process, the fees, and so forth that relates to the migration, which takes about 3 to 4 months. And then we also get them to talk to other senior speech therapists and senior occupational therapists as part of the technical side to make sure that technically they can handle the job, which I'm sure they can.
Yeah, that's brilliant. Yeah, that's awesome. Well, we look forward to seeing more people join your business soon.
I'm sure we will. Thanks, Kate.
So I've been working at Talking in Steps for about 4 years. We have quite a large team, and we're all very close knit. We work very well together. We sometimes share clients, and we also tend to see each other at social events for Talking in Steps as well.
That's awesome. And what training and development opportunities would they have?
So we do have an allowance for PD per year to put towards whatever kind of professional development area that we would like to increase our skills in. So, for example, this year I did something in feeding because I ended up with a lot of feeding clients on my caseload, and I wanted to expand my knowledge in that area. We also offer mentoring. The clinicians that I mentor can design their own supervision, so working on areas that they would like to work on, which can range from early language to literacy to swallowing to feeding issues.
That's excellent. Can you describe your company culture and values?
Okay, so we're a very multicultural company. We have hired people from many different countries, including India and Ireland, Serbia. So we also have a range of different languages that are spoken as well. It's fantastic to have the ability to work with people from other countries because it allows us to learn new skills that we may not possess here, and also different techniques that they use for therapy as well as new assessments that we might not have worked with before. So it gives us the ability to learn from each other.
Yeah, that's excellent. Can you tell us about the size of the company and where the locations are that people might work in?
So we have 2 businesses. We have Talking in Steps, which is in Sydney, which is mainly a speech pathology business, but we are now expanding into OT services as well. And then we also have Inspiring Possibilities, which is in Melbourne, which is predominantly an OT service, but they're also looking to expand to have speech pathologists down there as well, so that we can work collaboratively together.
That's awesome. So there's options in both Melbourne and Sydney.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
If this sounds like a job opportunity for you, please reach out to me and my team today at taylorcarerecruitment.com.au, and we'll be in touch with you shortly.